Affiliate marketing is supposed to be a fast and easy way for someone to make money online. But over the past few years, it's become a lot more complicated. There are many technical tasks required to get your campaigns up and running with most of the methods out there. Now, the good news is it doesn't have to be that way. We've perfected a simple method for creating winning affiliate campaigns in any niche. It only takes us a few minutes per day, and it works in absolutely any niche. Here's some of our recent results. So if you're currently struggling to make money as an affiliate, you're tired of wasting money on affiliate methods, systems and software tools that don't get you the results you want, you like the idea of plugging into a brand new step-by-step affiliate method that's working right now to get us big results, and you want to get your hands on multiple done-for-you campaigns that are already proven to make money, then we've got just what you need. It's called Affiliate Domination. Inside, you get access to a step-by-step training course that takes you by the hand and shows you exactly how to copy what we're doing to make daily affiliate commissions in any niche with 100% free traffic. With Affiliate Domination, you don't need to bring any experience to the table. That's because this is a completely newbie-friendly method for making money online. You get access to step-by-step training that shows you how we're doing this and the exact steps to take to create a winning campaign in any niche. Just like this. In addition to the training, we're going to make this even better by sending you multiple done-for-you campaigns over the next 6 months for free. These are already proven to make money. Just follow the training, activate any of these done-for-you campaigns whenever we send them over, and you're locked and loaded to get results. Inside the Affiliate Domination step-by-step training, we'll show you exactly how to set up a profitable affiliate campaign in any niche. You don't need any prior affiliate marketing experience or technical skills because this method is 100% newbie friendly. We'll also show how to get traffic flowing without spending a dime. Then you'll discover how we scale up our income to a life-changing income. Everything you need is included with each campaign, so you can be up and running and ready to make money in just minutes. We'll show you exactly how to make these campaigns and scale them as big as you want. We could easily charge $97 per month just for this, but when you get Affiliate Domination today, it's free for the next 6 months. As you can see, this is a complete system for crushing it online as an affiliate in any niche. So if you want to get results like what we're getting, then you need to get Affiliate Domination right now. Affiliate Domination reveals the exact steps we follow each day to make life-changing commissions. No stones are left unturned. You get access to step-by-step video training. We're also going to send you completely done-for-you affiliate campaigns over the next 6 months for free. These campaigns are proven to make money, so you can save time and fast-track your results. With everything you get today, we could easily charge $997 or more for Affiliate Domination. Although we may charge that in the very near future, when you get Affiliate Domination today, you won't pay $997. You wouldn't even pay $497 or even $97. When you click the button below, you'll get everything for a low one-time payment that makes this a complete no-brainer. But please don't close this page without getting this right now. The price is going up. If you come back later, you'll end up paying more for Affiliate Domination. We don't plan to offer this package forever. So if you wait, you could miss out on this never released affiliate marketing system completely. And of course, the sooner you get affiliate domination, the sooner you can get started. Although the low price should make this a total no-brainer, we're making this really easy by also giving you thousands of dollars worth of bonuses for free. These bonuses go hand in hand with affiliate domination to help you skyrocket your results quickly. And because we don't want anything to stop you from getting affiliate domination right now, we're giving you the next 30 days to make sure this is for you. That means if you change your mind for any reason, all you have to do is let us know and we'll send you a refund with no questions asked. If you're tired of wasting time and money on affiliate methods that simply don't work, you want to get something new that's never been released before and that's proven to make us money, and you like the idea of taking a huge shortcut to success by getting your hands on our winning affiliate marketing campaigns, then you need to get affiliate domination right now. To lock in your discount and claim your bonuses, click the button below right now.